Hello everyone, we wanted to quickly show you how to print your licensure. First thing you're going to want to do is to search for NCDPI Online Licensure System, and that's going to bring you the direct result you want so you don't have to navigate DPI's website. Boom, click on the first one, Online Licensure System. Once you get here, if you do not have an account, you need to register by clicking down here in the left, NCDPI registration. If you do have an account but you can't remember the password or your user ID, they have these helpful boxes here. So you just click one of them. For instance, you click user ID. You're going to use your school email address. If you forgot your password, you're going to know your user ID. Then you can figure out your password from there. And once you have your user ID and password, you can go ahead and fill them in. Michael Parker NBCT. Put in my super secret password. And then I'm going to click log on. Once we're inside, you can see to the right in the mid area, you have your license number and your license type. If you would click show detail, you're going to get a little bit more information, but you're really going to get the link you need, which is more details. Once you click more details. But when you click more details, it'll show all the areas you are licensed in. And down at the very bottom, you'll see print license certificate. When we click that, you're going to get a PDF version online. Now from here, you can either download yourself a digital copy. Do that by clicking the down arrow with the line underneath it in the top right. It's going to let you save it. And while I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and advocate for renaming your files to something that will help you find it when you search for them. So I'm going to name it Parker's Teaching Certificate License. That way if I search teaching license or teaching certificate, this file will pop up in my search. Alright, so I'll save it that way. Easier to find. If you want to print a physical copy, click the printer icon, and then you'll need to click print using system dialog. Once you do that, make sure you're hooked up to the correct printer, correct orientation, hit print, and then you'll be able to go pick up your physical copy from the printer. And that's really all you have to do. I advise, of course, closing out your windows. We don't need to leave our private information up there. And then you'll want to log out of DPI's website just for safety. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's simple as that.